In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Now click on Permission Manager under Permissions and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Following that, select one of your apps under one of those categories: allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I will go with Calendar from Not Allowed section. Now just click on one of those options to apply the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Calendar just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. But you can always select one of your apps that you wish to manage instead, like Chrome, and click on See All Chrome Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those options only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!